This week's video is in collaboration with kentfaith. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video then, I want to talk about filter systems, and specifically square filter systems against the newer magnetic filter systems that appeared on the market fairly recently, to be fair. Now, I've been sent a set of magnetic ND filters by K&F Concept, kentfaith, and it's not going to be a review about the quality of these filters. I actually just wanted to compare my older square filter system to these newer magnetic ones. Now, I'm going to find somewhere quiet, set up Brian the tripod, and we'll come back and talk about this filter system in a minute. So stick around, let's crack on. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about then is ease of use. And I think that's probably the biggest difference between the square filter system and the magnetic filter system. Now, both of these systems have different mountings, where on the magnetic ones, you literally have a magnetic filter ring. It's just a simple circular ring like that allows your lens to become magnetic. Simple. Now, with my Format high-tech square filter system, it has a geared ring, so you can use a circular polarizer whilst also using the ND filters. Now, what I'm going to do to demonstrate the ease of use is I'm going to attach the magnetic ring on and show you how easy it is to fit a filter to that. And then I'm going to use the circular polarizer and geared ring attached to the front of the lens and show you how to attach the square filter system, and just to demonstrate how quick and easy it is with the magnetic ones. Okay, so start with the magnetic filter system. The ring is attached to the front. I've got a filter in my hand, and how do you attach it? Ready? Et voila. That's the magnetic filter system. How easy is that? Okay, so now we're going to look at the square filter system, and in my hand I actually have the square filter holder. It doesn't have any filters in it at the moment, so let's see how easy this is to attach and add a filter as well. Ready, go! Right, holder is on. Oh, let me get a filter. Filter in place. Get it in the right slots, and that's over. Done. Okay, so just to summarize then on ease of use, square filter system, it's a bit more fiddly. Now, can you imagine as well being at the coast on a really cold day and trying to fiddle around with your filter holder, trying to get it attached to the front of the camera, especially if you've got gloves on. So I think when it comes to ease of use, magnetic filters, I think, have that point hands down. Okay, so I just want to come and talk about another big advantage as well of the magnetic filter system. Now, I'm a real bugger when it comes to using lens caps on my lenses. I tend to just leave the lens hood on for protection. Not ideal because it could risk scratching the front element. However, the magnetic filter system comes with magnetic lens caps. It means I'll never have to worry about that again. Okay, now I want to come back and talk about a big advantage actually of the square filter system, just to give this a bit of balance. Now, I don't use them, but with the square filter system, you can get graduated neutral density filters. Now, if you don't know what a graduated neutral density filter is, I can't demonstrate because I haven't got one, but it's basically where the filter is darker at the top and it fades down. You can get hard ones, you can get soft ones to show the level of graduation. Now, you can't get that with the magnetic filter system, or if you can, it tends to be very static. Whereas with these, the filters tend to be about 150 mil. This is a 100 mil system, and the graduated ones are about 150 mil, meaning you have that level of adjustment, so you can line it up with your horizon line if you want to darken down the sky. Or alternatively, if you want to darken down the foreground, you can actually put it upside down and use the darker element at the bottom so that it graduates up. So big advantage then of the square filter system if you think you would use graduated neutral density filters. Okay, so let's talk about size then. Now, it is quite important if you're considering going out on any long hikes or anything. Size and weight are real key factors, because obviously you want to try and minimize the amount of stuff you're putting in your camera bag. Now, let me just put it this way. This is the filter holder here for the square filter system. It's quite large, cumbersome, but it's not very heavy in fairness. Format Hi-Tech have done a brilliant job in keeping down the weight. However, that's the filter holder with one filter in it. This is one filter for the magnetic system. That's it. Nice and simple. Now the whole of the magnetic filter system fits in this little case here. That's it. This little tiny case, that contains the adapter ring, 3 filters and the lens cap as well. It weighs nothing at all. So it's another big advantage again towards the magnetic filter system. If you are conscientious on size and weight, especially if you're limited by a smaller camera bag, I must say, magnetic filters win on this side. Okay then, let's have a quick summary on which filter system is better and which one is probably better for you. And that is the main point here. Is it going to be the magnetic filter system or the square filter system? Now, in my opinion, and this is all it is, if you are looking to buy your first filter system and you are not sure which one to go with, I would most definitely go with a magnetic filter system. Why? The fact that they're so quick to fit on the front of your lenses is a real big factor. Also as well, the size and weight. As I say, there are 3 filters in here, a lens cap and the ring as well to add it to the front of your lens. The square filter system is more cumbersome. So yeah, I would definitely go with a magnetic one. And I'm not just here to promote the K&F one as well. However, it does look like a fantastic system, but all leading brands are now introducing the magnetic filter system. All the companies like Case and Format Hi-Tech and Lee Filters, all I believe have a magnetic filter system. However, if you have a square filter system, would I upgrade just to have a magnetic filter system? No, I wouldn't. If you're already invested in a pro level one, if you've just got a cheap one and you're looking at upgrading, then again, I would go magnetic. But if you already have a good quality square filter system, I wouldn't look at changing it in the slightest. If it wasn't for K&F sending me this, I would be more than happy with this system. Okay, so there we have it. Square filters versus magnetic filters. As I say, the decision is down to you. But if I was investing in a first system, or if you've only got a really cheap system and you're looking at upgrading, I would definitely look at the magnetic filters over the square filter system. As I say, if kentfaith hadn't sent me the magnetic filter system to test, I would be sticking with my Format Hi-Tech square system. I've always been happy with it and the results are fantastic. As I say, this isn't knocking Format Hi-Tech in the slightest. It's just a comparison between the two systems. Now, there's been a couple of things going on in my life recently and I've not been able to actually get out and test the quality of the kentfaith system. However, this is their Nano X Pro Series magnetic filter system and I have no doubt it's going to be fantastic. However, subscribe to the channel because there will be a review of these filters coming soon. Now, if you are interested in grabbing yourself some filters, be it the square filter system or a magnetic filter system, head over to kentfaith. I'm going to put my affiliate link in the description below. Support the channel, head over and grab yourself the system that you believe would suit you best. as I say, there is a whole range of filters on there. You have got both magnetic filters and square filters, and I can highly recommend product by K&F. In fact, what I'm filming on now, I'm actually using a K&F K&F Concept selfie stick tripod. It's what I use for all my vlogging. I've used their products for a number of years. I've got dust blowers, lens cloths, sensor cleaners. I've now also got a couple of other products that they've sent me as well for review. The circular polarizer, brilliant circular polarizer, and also as well the gimbal head. Brilliant product that is. Now, if you are in the market for any stuff like that, as I say, filters, gimbal head, cleaning products, anything, head over to my affiliate link. Anything you purchase will also help support the channel, as I will receive a small amount of financial reward for that. So that would be absolutely fantastic and appreciated. However, if you go over to there and you're looking at buying a thing, when you get into checkout, use the coupon code MIKE for 17% off your basket. Now that is site-wide, not on specific products. And also as well, if you are watching this video and it is before the 30th of November 2024, they've currently got their massive Black Friday offers going on as well. So you can pick yourself up some real bargains. And as I say, use the coupon code Mike and you'll get it for a steal. So anyway, that's the end of this video for today. Obviously, if you've liked the video, give us the old thumbs up and drop some subscribes from down the channel. If you're interested in wildlife photography, landscape photography, nature photography, macro photography, long exposures, it all happens on this channel. And all that's left for me to say then is this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.